Say how many attempts we can give the MCQ questions exam pattern for each IFRS? Is there a limitation?
No, there is no limitation to it.
And what is the pass mark for getting through?
70%.
Okay.
70% for each and every subject. So for example, like you have 16, 17 subjects. Sometimes they have clubbed 2-3 topics together. For example, balance sheet consolidation, etc. They have clubbed it together.
Okay.
So it takes around, 18 in total because insurance got added recently. So 18 in total, and you have to pass all those 18 modules along with the MCQs to get your certification.
So the moment we can attempt the MCQs and then there is no limit to attempt the MCQs examination.
No.
So if you fail, then you can again give the examination again.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. Yes.
At our convenient time.
Yes. Yes.
That's great. That's great.
So that's the biggest benefit. You can study the entire week and take your time and sit for the exams during the weekends. Free mind.
Yes. That's great.
Yeah. And you don't have to go for a to a site to say it, open a
Right.
system which is you are not familiar to. You can do it
Right.
in your own laptop or mobile even.
Right. Got it. So they give any video lectures on only the audio, the printed materials available in the website? Video lectures are also available?
So for certain topics, you will have the video lectures as well. But I mean, the black and white paper means the notebook, the notes, you will already have it in your Google Classroom. And the content is always there in your IFRS certification program. So important is to go through the IFRS content, which the ICP is providing very thoroughly. And you can use the Google Classroom as a backup. If you're not understanding any subject, if you're not understanding any topic, for example, you can always refer to them. But the content has to be like digested very, very clearly.
Okay.
Because MCQs, again, are not that easy because it can confuse you a lot.
Okay. Is there any platform for practice examination, or you can go straightly to the MCQ?
Yeah, you can go straightly to the MCQs. Once you are done with your content of the ICPI site, it will take you to the question answer module as the next step.
Got it. Thank you, Sagar.